Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 expenses you can cut to help build wealth. Let's get into the video. While building wealth entails constant investing in your 401k, Roth IRA, and real estate, we must also take in account our daily, monthly, and yearly expenses, which also can have a significant impact on our wealth building ability. So today, I'm going to go over 5 expenses you can cut to help build wealth. Expense number 1, dining out. Eating out at restaurants or ordering takeout can be a significant drain on your wallet. Consider cooking more meals at home to save money. Meal planning and preparing your lunches can save you hundreds of dollars each month. Expense number 2 is subscription services. Subscription services like streaming, gym, memberships, or magazine subscriptions can add up quickly. Evaluate which ones you genuinely use and consider canceling the rest. You will be surprised at how much you can save. Expense number 3, impulse shopping. We all enjoy shopping, but impulse purchases can be a financial pitfall. Before buying something, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Creating a budget and sticking to it will help curb those impulsive spending habits. Expense number 4 is high interest debt. High interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly erode your wealth. Focus on paying off high interest debts as soon as possible. Consider transferring balances to lower interest cards or exploring debt consolidation options. Expense number 5, unused subscriptions or memberships. Unused gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, or club memberships are like throwing money down the drain. Review your recurring expenses regularly and cancel any you no longer use. Redirect that money towards savings or investments. There you have it, 5 expenses you can cut to help build wealth. Remember, building wealth is not just about cutting expenses, it's also about smart saving and investing. By making these adjustments in your financial life, you can take significant steps towards a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.